Let's be real, fresh and unique songs don't come from the same old process. New ideas need new ways of thinking, and these 30 creative prompts are designed to spark crazy song ideas by pushing you to think outside the box, break your routine, and approach writing a whole new way. First up, grab your laptop and get out of the studio. Now, you want to go write a song in a place you would typically never write in. Loop a movie scene or a festival scene, and what you're going to do is mute the volume. Then, you're just going to write the music behind it and imagine your song in that moment. Start writing a song around real-world sounds. Think recordings, Foley. This could be a train station or waves crashing. Next up, try and write in a BPM that scares the shit out of you. Number 5, you can hop on a site like Hook Theory and go to their popular chord progressions, pick one, start from there. Or while we're here, you could just hop over to their database with thousands of songs and chord progressions and literally just steal one from them. Try recording yourself playing random shit on your MIDI keyboard for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then what you're gonna do is go back and cut all of those awesome little riffs and moments that you randomly came across. There's gonna be a ton of happy accidents here. Number 8 is one of my favorite on the list, and that is to collaborate. What you're gonna do is exchange some of those good but failed ideas with someone else. See if they can revamp it, and you're gonna take their failed ideas and see if you can inject some life into it. Next up, you're gonna try and create a song that Moose can take a bath to. To really shake things up, try and merge 2 different genres together. For example, dubstep and disco. Try writing in a scale or mode that you've never written in before. For number 11, try starting with a song title first, then create the music behind it. A cool shakeup might be to create a song that has little to no melodic elements and is purely focused around drums. Challenge yourself to write a song without caring about sound design. All you're gonna use are sine waves or saw waves, and you can replace those later on. For number 14, you can try and create a song that uses unconventional rhythms, time signatures, grooves. You want to go out of your comfort zone here. The point is to hopefully try something you've never tried before. This next one is a personal favorite of mine. You're going to force yourself to automate 2 to 3 parameters on every single sound and watch where this takes you. You're going to surprise yourself just how much cooler you can make your idea. Try creating a song without your favorite synth and sample packs. For this next one, you're gonna take one finger and create, perform, and record a melody. This is gonna force you to keep things simple, but also have to think outside the box. Try writing something that represents the happiest time in your life. Or on the flip side, you could take one of the saddest or most emotional moments in your life and write the soundtrack to that. For number 20, you're gonna grab your phone and hum melodies into it. You can drop them into the DAW and convert them to MIDI. Now you have a pretty cool starting point. For this next one, you could try finding presets or samples in a genre that you've never worked in before and start by using them. Try structuring out an arrangement before you actually start writing. You could do this with arrangement markers, empty MIDI clips, and I'd even suggest a reference track to get things going. Start a song around a vocal sample. Now, this can be like a vocal chop or a melody you create from it. It could also just be a repeating phrase that you build the music behind. For number 24, try writing an entire song using only a piano. And for number 25, pick 2 feelings and make the listener experience both in your song. So for example, maybe the song starts out emotional and a little bit darker, but through that musical journey, the song ends on a high and we have this resolution with a euphoric feeling. Next up, you're going to sample a song that is older than you. You might have to do your research here, but cut a segment from that song and start building around it, whether it's a remix or it's just inspiration. Try coming up with your own melody based on the first 2 notes of another melody. Find a song you like, figure out what those first 2 notes are, and now that is your starting point. Here's a fun one. Try making a song that's perfect for like a midnight drive through the middle of nowhere. What is it that you would want to be listening to in that moment? Next up, try creating a song where you limit yourself to no more than 5 total instruments. For number 30, we're gonna have some fun. What you're gonna do is go find that hard drive that's filled with all your unfinished ideas. You're gonna cherry pick the best ones and start your next song from it. All right, I've saved the biggest and best tip for last, and this is gonna be a bonus number 31. In order to do all these creative hacks, you do have to be able to write a good song. So meet me in this next video where I wanna show you the trick that all of your favorite artists are already doing to write those amazing songs that you can't stop listening to.